Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure SmartThings Webhook integration with AWS IoT. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your SmartThings portal. Navigate to the SmartThings developer workspace. Create a new project by selecting Create New Smart App. Choose from template to copy a predefined template for Webhook integration. Customize your app's name and description. Add capabilities based on the devices you want to control. Next, click on Webhook to enable Webhook functionality. Enter the URL that points to your AWS IoT endpoint. Define the necessary action triggers within your Smart App. Save your Smart App, then publish it to make it available for use. Now, head over to your AWS Management Console. Select the IoT Core service from the list of services. Create a new IoT thing and provide a meaningful name. Take note of the thing ARN for later use. Set up a policy to control access for your device. Attach the policy to your IoT thing. Create and download a new certificate for secure communication. Upload the certificate and private key to your device. Configure the device with the necessary AWS IoT endpoint details. Now, return to the SmartThings portal. Go back to your Smart App and copy the identifier of your SmartThings devices. Open your AWS Lambda console. Create a new Lambda function to handle incoming webhooks. Choose the Node.js runtime for your function. In the function code, write logic to parse the payload from SmartThings. Use the AWS SDK to interact with your IoT core. Ensure you have the correct permissions set for your Lambda function. Test your Lambda function to verify it processes incoming events. Once confirmed, configure a trigger for the Lambda function via API gateway. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.